今年的奥斯卡颁奖典礼将在3月2日举行，而被视为奥斯卡最佳音效剪辑风向球的金卷轴奖也在近日公布。获得奥斯卡最佳音效剪辑奖提名的《地心引力》在金卷轴奖中脱颖而出，拿下了最佳电影音效剪辑奖座。怒海劫、大亨小传、冰雪奇缘和一代宗师也都榜上有名。
由美国音效剪辑师协会所举办的第61届金卷轴奖在洛杉矶盛大举行。金卷轴奖又被视为奥斯卡音效剪辑类奖项的风向球，因此备受瞩目。最佳电影音效剪辑由地心引力获得。
Each new film we do is something unique, it's some sounds that haven't been used before and recorded in different ways.
怒海劫拿下最佳电影对白剪辑奖，大亨小传和冰雪奇缘分别获得剧情片和音乐片类别的最佳音乐剪辑奖，最佳外语片音效剪辑奖则由王家卫执导的一代宗师一举拿下。
If a song is created in the right way, songs can tell so much that you become more involved in the story. You really become intimately involved in the story because you feel for the characters.
Actually, for章子怡, she's have the learning from her father, so it's one kind. But Tony Liang Xiaowei, he combined all of the kung fu fighting, so it's different because he combined, so it will be different and soft but more power.
美国音效剪辑师协会主席也希望大家更了解音效师的艰辛。
The sound is done right, you don't notice it. You know, it's like a lot of people who aren't in this industry think that you put a mic out there and all the dialogue is magically picked up. I'm hoping that we can make other people aware of and just let them know how hard the editors work to produce those. You know, there are some movies that have 1,500–1,600 tracks of sound going.
每年的美国音效剪辑师协会金卷轴奖颁发给电影和电视产业，鼓励更多优秀的音效剪辑师。新唐人记者苏香兰、张怡渊，美国洛杉矶报道。